Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use a software called Resizer to resize your photos, like all of them in one go. You may have 50-60 photos in a folder and you want to resize them all in one go. And this is very useful software created by me and it's available on my website. Let's go to my website now and let me show you from where you can download it. So go to the top right corner of my website called chatra.com/log. The top right corner menu option is help. Click on that, and then the bottom last option is resizer for photos. Click on that. It resizes. You download the file resizer.zip. You can show it in the folder as your zipped file. Download it. Right click on that, extract here. You can install these unzipping software from internet. Plenty of them are available, and you get an unzipped folder. That's the folder you should be using, not the zipped folder. Zip folder, you can keep it somewhere for future use. Like if you delete this folder somehow, then you can unzip it and re-get it. So Resizer, we are going inside, has got some sample photos in it. See the sizes of them, and this is the main software which we will run. So double click on the software and you may get this message. So go to more info, because I'm an unknown publisher, it's made by me. I've not got any certificate from Microsoft, so you may get that message, but it's totally safe to run, so run anyway. It's made in Python. It takes a couple of minutes to, no, not minutes, a few seconds to start, so just be patient. Here you go, and it gives the option select a file using file menu. The file menu, there's only one menu, file. File with path will be displayed, and your choice now to just resize one file or all in that location. So you go to the file, open file, and you choose one of them. But then once you say open, you get the option of resizing one or resizing all. I'll go resize all, and it will resize all in the same folder. Check the same folder. So the folder doesn't have to be here, it can be anywhere. It will just take the path. Here you go, all the resized photos. See the difference? The first file is 1282 KB and the same file now has become 57 KB. So that's the difference you can see in the size. So this way, these files you can upload to OneNote or any other place where your teacher asks you to put them. I think that's it, and thanks for watching. Make sure to exit via this exit, file exit, to close, and then you can close. Okay, thank you.